I don't care who is doing better than me because the truth is I'm not in competition with anyone else. The only person I need to be better than is the person I was yesterday. Last year I was different. I've grown, I've improved, and I've learned a lot. That's what really matters. It's me versus me. Every day, I wake up ready to push myself further, to challenge my limits, and become the best version of myself. I don't let other people's success make me feel small. Their journey is theirs. Mine is mine. Instead of looking around at what others have achieved, I look at where I've come from, and I'm proud of my progress. It's about showing up for myself, staying consistent, and building my future, one step at a time. So focus on your own journey. Celebrate your own wins, no matter how small. In the end, the only competition that matters is with yourself. Keep growing, keep pushing, because you are your only true rival.